Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale. And comes equipped with stain-resistant cloth seating surfaces, dual-zone automatic temperature control, proximity key entry with push-button start, option group 2, AM/FM HD radio with Sirius XM and CD and MP3 player, rear view camera, heated dual power side mirrors, electronic stability control, speed sensing steering, alloy wheels, and has less than 60,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests. And we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.